Yo, what's going on? All my homies, dudes and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and I'm back again. And this time I'm going to do another ride along. This time I'm doing a ride along with Billie Eilish. Man, this bottle is something. Look at that. It's half face. Okay, let me see if I can do half my face. But anyway, this is Billie Eilish. Having drama back here, and this is a I don't know if it's supposed to be a clone or, but it smells close to the Tom Ford's Ebene Fume. But yeah, so let's rock out. Starting out, chew on the sleeve. Let's get to here, and I am actually going to put some on my actual skin on my arm also. But while I'm here, I can do my wrist there. I do back of my wrist, and then yeah. But I have a little bit of run around to do today. Oh yeah, this nice little simple what I got going on. I got a little bit of run around to do today. I also probably gonna hit the gym. But yeah, so right along with me with uh Billie Eilish. This is Eilish number 2. Good saying. Oh, before I go, I almost forgot. The time is 9:11. Is that going? Oh, 9:12 now. But yeah. All right. And this is AM. We starting out early in the morning. So here we go. Billie Eilish. Right along. All right, folks. I am just doing a little quick check-in. I have a nice scent bubble going around with me, and it smells. I'm digging this smell. It was actually supposed to be really overcasty today, but now it seems like the sun is trying to come out. But it's still cloudy, but the sun is starting to peek through a little bit, and it seems like the humidity is starting to raise a little bit. But and I was thinking it was going to be a lower humidity, but right now it is 10:16. It's only been a little while, maybe about an hour, and like I said, the fragrance is doing very, very well right now. And then on my clothes, it's really strong. So I'm enjoying it. I just thought today was going to be more of an overcast day than what it's turned out to be. It looked like the sun is coming out. So it is what it is. But the fragrance still working good. All right. So I'll check back in. All right. Another check in. It is a little bit later. It is now 11:41. That's coming in. 11:41. So I still have a nice scent bubble around me, and it's coming off my my skin also. Am I in focus? got a little light. Let's see. So yeah, this is working pretty good. I like this fragrance, man. And it's still cloudy outside, but it's warming up. Right now it's 81 degrees. Yeah, 81 degrees. And like I said, it's 11:41, 42. And so yeah, it's working good. I appreciate this scent. I like it a lot. What time I put this on? I put it on like around 9 something. So I've gotten a good 2.5 hours so far. And so yeah, it's rocking. Alright, I am heading over to the gym. And you know how sometimes when your body heats up, it comes back to life, but it hasn't even died yet. So let's see how it is after this workout. I'll give you another check-in in a little bit. Hey folks, alright, so I am back for another update on this fragrance. And like I thought, after I got in the gym and got heated up, the scent bubble got a lot bigger around me. Actually, it felt like it was projecting maybe about arm and a half length away from me. So I don't feel like I interrupted anybody in the gym, but it did come back to life and came back a little bit stronger. It felt like it went back to the opening notes, that first smell that I got when I first sprayed it on. But yeah, right now it's pretty much a skin scent. Really close to it is almost completely gone. And right now it's 158. Let me see. Okay, you guys see that? 158. So 159 now. So yeah, it works pretty good. It's a good long-lasting fragrance, and I really enjoy the smell. And right now, like I said, I thought it was supposed to get it's supposed to be overcast today, but it ended up, it's still cloudy, but it's pretty nice outside. It's hot, really. Actually, it is 87 degrees in my car. So let me see. Oh, 81 degrees. So it ended up being a warm day. So this fragrance is not necessarily made for this temperature. It's really, no, I guess you can use it for this temperature because I used it today, but it would be nicer for something a little bit cooler, like in the 70s. It probably would have been great, like 75 or lower. It probably would have been great and probably would last a little bit longer too. But anyway, that's just a check-in. I'll round it up once I get back in the house. Hey, what's going on, folks? I am back, and I'm going to wrap this up now. This fragrance has lasted pretty good. I think I got like a good 4 to 5 hours, maybe even longer. Let me see, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Yeah, I probably got about 4 or 5 hours out of it. And that's a good run for a fragrance like this. It was not the day for it because it ended up being a pretty warm day. It should have been like a regular fall day. This fragrance would work really good like in a cooler day, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, so I'm just gonna run through the notes and tell you how it smells. The top notes are bergamot and apple blossom. Then the mid notes are black pepper, papyrus, and poppy. And then the base notes are ebony and Palo Santo and vanilla. What I get when I spray it, when it first comes on, is like almost kind of like a sweet peppery, like the pepper and maybe it's the apple blossom. Might be the apple blossom mixed with the bergamot, but it gives off like a kind of a sweetness smell to it. And the other thing about this fragrance, I still have my jacket that I had on earlier, and I still smell it on this, but it smells more like incense instead of black pepper, and it's not incense in this, right? No. So that incensey smell may be coming from the ebony and the Palo Santos, but because it does have kind of a creamy feel to it, but it kind of smells similar to like incense. But yeah, I think it's a good fragrance. If you have a chance, check it out, get a sample. It's not a fragrance that you might want to blind buy, because some people may get put off by that opening, or actually maybe get put off by the whole fragrance. And just for references, it is 509 right now, and like I said, I can still smell it on my shirt from earlier today. It smells like it's kind of in the mid. It doesn't smell like it's gotten all the way down to the dry down with the Palo Santo. It may be with the Palo Santo, I don't know, but it smells a little spicy, and the black pepper is in the mid notes. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for riding along with me, and I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here hanging out with me, doing a ride along with Billie Eilish, number 2, the one that's kind of a Tom Ford clone. All right, appreciate your time. Until next time, deuces.